Did you know that some creatures can regenerate their limbs? Uncover the remarkable abilities of certain animals that regrow lost body parts. Exciting animations show close-ups of regeneration, paired with energetic sound effects and upbeat music. New research suggests this power might hold the key to revolutionary healing methods for humans. Scientists have observed these incredible regrowth phenomena. It's nature's very own superpower. As scientists delve deeper into the study of these extraordinary creatures, they uncover secrets of cellular regeneration. In the lab, researchers meticulously analyze the regenerative processes, hoping to unlock new medical treatments for humans. The journey of regeneration varies greatly among species. Take the lizard, for instance, known for its ability to grow back its tail. In the lush rainforest, we see a fascinating array of creatures mastering the art of regrowth, revealing nature's incredible adaptability.